Tesla stock is absolutely fantastic. We see lots and lots of bullish signals all around, and Tesla is breaking through each of its resistance levels. Of course, there are some challenges to overcome right now, and eventually a pullback will occur. But as long as we don't see any bearish reversal structure, the main trend will continue to be bullish. Today is the last day of the month, and I have some interesting things to share in this video, so stay with me. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our analysis looking at the daily chart over here. Tesla's daily chart look very impressive because, as I already told you guys, we are doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows, breaking all of its resistance levels over here in a crystal clear bull trend. The next technical resistance level is the 208 over here, the previous top level from March 31. That's our next resistance line. Any pullback, it is not going to be the end of the world because, as I already told you guys, pullbacks occur. Pullbacks are healthy and expected movements while Tesla is in a bull trend, because a bull trend is made of higher highs, higher lows. Lows will eventually occur, but as long as we don't see any bearish reversal structure, the trend will remain bullish. Now, what are the next support levels on Tesla? Because if it starts dropping, well, we must be prepared, right? And yes, I agree with you, regardless if you want to buy Tesla for the first time, if you want to add positions, or maybe if you just want to trade Tesla, you gotta buy near a support level to optimize your price. Now, the next technical support level is $191 as seen on the daily chart over here. Honestly, I was expecting to see Tesla retesting this support level, if not today, maybe this week. However, this reaction over here looks very impressive, and maybe Tesla is not going to trigger a pullback, at least not yet. Another thing that reinforces the idea that Tesla could trigger a pullback without ruining the major bull trend is that the indices are quite stretched right now, especially the Nasdaq index. We are very, very far away from the 21 EMA over here, so any pullback would be just natural, right? Would be just an opportunity to buy at a lower price level. Now, can you guys believe that some people don't see the bull trend on Tesla? We are doing crystal clear higher highs, higher lows on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, we just did an upwards breakout of a huge flag chart pattern, a crystal clear bullish reversal structure, the first bullish reversal structure since November 2021 over here. And some people, oh no, Nathan, I don't think Tesla is bullish right now. We are still bearish. Well, we are on early stages of reversal, long-term speaking, yes. However, on the daily chart, mid-term speaking, we are clearly bullish. On the 1 hour chart, we are also very bullish. I do agree that Tesla has to face some important resistance levels right now. Mainly the $200, which, although chart-wise it is not a technical resistance, it is a psychological resistance. So the $200 is a key point to pay attention right now. And of course, we have the 208, which is the next top level. And we have the $217.65. Keep this key point in mind, because if you are a long-term Tesla investor, this is the key point you want to see Tesla breaking. This is the most critical key point you want to see Tesla breaking, and I will explain why in a few minutes. Now, back to the daily chart. The next technical support is 191. What if Tesla loses the 191? In my humble opinion, we could easily retest the 21 EMA on the daily chart, and this still would not be enough to see Tesla reversing the bull trend. I would believe in a bullish reversal when Tesla stops doing higher highs, higher lows, stops following this pattern, and starts doing lower highs, lower lows, okay? This would be quite problematic. So it is not like I am stubborn or a perma bull, right? No, I can change my mind very easily in a blink of an eye. However, I must see evidence to believe, right? I don't believe without evidence. I am a very, very methodical person, so I gotta see technical evidence in order to believe that Tesla is gonna trigger a pullback. Of course, the indices are quite concerning, but still, we gotta see bearish evidence in order to believe that Tesla is going to reverse, and so far, there is no bearish reversal structure. On the weekly chart, we are still above, we are still outside this descending channel, which is the flag of this bullish flag, while on the 1 hour chart, we are still doing higher highs, higher lows, respecting the 21 MA. The 21 MA is pointing upwards over here. We don't see any crystal clear major bearish reversal, but I would keep my eyes open around the 21 EMA on the daily chart. And of course, if you want to get access to premium analysis and insights on Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, and many other stocks, take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Come on, trade with me, join our community. We are waiting for you. Now, do you remember the 217 over here, this red line? This red line is a critical key point because the month is over right now. Today is May 31. On the monthly chart, Tesla, this is why Tesla looks so impressive, right? Because on the monthly chart, we see a bottom, we see a top over here on February 2023. From the previous bottom to the previous top, we can draw a Fibonacci's retracement over here. Tesla did a pullback to the 50% Fibonacci's retracement, and right now, this month, today, we are doing a very, very impressive bullish reaction, which to me kind of reminds a bullish engulfing or a piercing line candlestick pattern. It is not that clear to me yet, but still, look at the size of this bullish candle completely rejecting the previous bearish month over here. On April, we crashed more than 20%, 20.8%. This month, we are going up 21%. So we are totally denying the bearish thesis over here, just above the 50% Fibonacci's retracement. This gives me the impression that Tesla could trigger for the first time a bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low. If we break the 217 resistance level over here, this bullish thesis will gain momentum, will just gain strength. And of course, we are already doing quite well because we are doing an upwards breakout of this flag chart pattern. So in my humble opinion, Tesla, yes, we are gonna break this bullish pivot point. What's more, on the weekly chart over here, we already see a divergence. While Tesla was inside a descending channel, on the weekly chart, since February this year, the RSI indicator wasn't. In fact, we see nothing but equivalent highs, and this week we are trying to trigger an advanced breakout over here, right? It all depends on how we are gonna close this week's candlestick. So we see nothing but very impressive bullish patterns all around in every single time frame. Tesla is looking very good, very promising. It is not as good as my Instagram account, so follow me on my Instagram to keep in touch with my daily life here in Brazil. Yesterday I did open a question box. Every single week I open a question box so you guys can ask me anything you want. So come on, follow me over there. My Instagram is @thefinance_hydra. The link is in the description of this video. So Tesla is looking great, and I see a promising, very promising upside potential next. So subscribe this channel if you are still watching this video and you are not my subscriber because come on, you liked the content, it is quite useful, and you're gonna keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.